everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius, and welcome to the Collector's Edition. And on this episode of the Collector's Edition, I am doing my latest sneaker pickup. Last week, Sneaker App had a shock drop for the Black Cement 3 that's dropping on October the 23rd. I was lucky and fortunate I was able to catch a W. It's been a minute. When I mean a minute, about 2 to 3 years since I've caught any type of W on the Sneaker App for any shock drops or any releases that I really wanted. Usually it's the general mass release stuff that I catch W on, but as far as for sneakers that I really want that's limited, although I believe that the Black Cements are not going to be as limited, that everybody will be able to get a W on a pair. But I was able to get a W on an early release for the shock drop, and I just received them. I am going to do this quick review for you guys and also do a comparison with the 2018 that I also have in dead stock and a used one. It's the Broke Genius. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and the rest of the content on the channel. And if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you can become part of the Broke Genius gang. And more importantly, do not forget to smash the like button for your boy as it helps with the video. All right, now I've gotten this out of the way. Let's get to the reason why I'm doing this. My latest sneaker pickup, the Collector's Edition, the iconic Jordan 3 Black Cement. All right, so this is the box that they came in, the Nike brown box. So I wanted to wait and open the box with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, let's take the sneakers out of the box. Let's toss this right here. There you go. All right, so these are the anticipated Black Cement 3. Such an iconic sneaker. To a lot of people is their number one Jordans out of all the collections for them. To me, I would say that would be my number 2. Because the Jordan 4s is definitely my number 1, especially the breads. The bread is definitely number 1 for me, and the 3s is number 2 for me. All right, so this is the Black Cement 3s that will be dropping this Saturday, November 23rd. All right, so we have a all black box, you know. And as you turn to the side, it has information of the sneakers. You have the bold in red iconic Jumpman on the cover of the box. And as you open the box, let me put this here. As you open the box, you have the elephant print paper that's inside of it. And there it is. Okay. And you also have a regular paper that's inside of it. So we're gonna go ahead and take the sneakers out of the box. Let's put this right here. So these are the Jordan 3 Black Cement that will be dropping in a few days. I was lucky, man. And I think the sneaker god for this, I definitely wanted to add another pair to the collection. Such a beautiful, iconic sneaker. You can't ever go wrong with a Black Cement 3. Check them out. Very nice. 360. Of course, you have the beautiful Nike Air on the back. Check it out. Very smooth leather throughout. Light gray elephant print. This is a beautiful pair of sneakers, and I am very happy I was able to catch these on an early shock drop last week. Not much change with these, apart from the elephant print that a lot of you already know that is lighter compared to the 2018, and of course the black leather part of it is a smooth leather compared to the 2018 that's more of a tumble leather. But apart from that, quality wise for this pair, the leather quality is just as good as the 2018. Just the difference that this one is a more of a buttery, soft, smooth leather, and the 2018 is more of a tumble leather. With the 2018, it is well defined with the pairs that I have, and I will definitely show that to you in a minute. And check out the outsole, that iconic Jordan 3 outsole. And of course, as I said earlier, you have the Nike Air on the back. You can't ever go wrong with the Nike Air on the back. Whether you have the 2018 or you have the 2024, the Black Cement 3 is an iconic sneaker. Just be happy. Of course, some people will have their preferences, especially if you have both 2018 and the 2024 to compare. You will have your preferences. Like myself, I'm fortunate I have the 2018 to compare, and I like the 2018 compared to the 2024. And as far as the hang tag, they kept the original orange hang tag with the transparent gray Nike text that says Nike Air. So this is it. This is the 2024, and check out the Air unit at the bottom. You have a light gray elephant print that's in the front toe that wrap around from one side to the other side. Check it out. Also continues as well in the back. And you have this perforated leather that's on the lower part of the tongue. That's in perforated leather that's in gray. Also continue on the ankle part of the sneaker. And throughout, you got this very smooth, buttery black leather that goes from one side panel to the other side panel. You have the Air unit at the bottom. And of course, the red iconic Jumpman on the tongue. This is the 2024. We're gonna do a quick comparison with the 2018. All right, so this is a dead stock of 2018 Black Cement. We're gonna do a quick comparison. Let's put this shit right here. All right, so here you go. Let's start with the hang tag. So with the 2024, this is the hang tag with the 2024. It does not have the rubber, and compared to the 2018, it has that rubber hang tag, but still orange, but with the rubber. And there it is. You can do your own comparison. And as I was saying, with the 2018, the leather is more of a tumble leather for the 2018. You can tell. Check it out. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it, but leather is definitely more of a tumble leather. All right. I hope you guys are able to see it. Check it out. And the leather is definitely tumbling. It's very defined. And of course, you have the elephant print. That's definitely a lot darker, more of a charcoal gray darkness to it compared to the 2018. Hold on. Check it out. All right, so this is the 2024 and this is the 2018. If you look, you're gonna see the elephant print on the 2018 is definitely darker. It's more of a dark charcoal gray on the 2018 compared to the 2024. The elephant print is a little bit lighter. I'm gonna try to do a side by side. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hold on. All right, there you go. This is the 2018, that's the 2024. I'm gonna show it to you individually. this is it. All right, check out the elephant print on the side on a 2018. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's more of a charcoal gray. And then this is the 2024. It's a little bit lighter. You see it? Both are dope pair of sneakers. As far as feel wise, the 2018 feel a bit more construct. It feels and look like a beast of a sneaker. So that's the 2018. And the 2024 is very smooth. Smooth on a calm, but nice, you know. To each his own, like I said, but smooth. I like the roughness of the tumble leather, the defined aspect of the tumble leather of the 2018 me personally compared to this. This is smooth. This is like a smooth cognac, you understand? And this, I would think, although I'm not a drinker, but I've drank in the past, this would more like a, I would call this a Grand Marnier. The 2024 is more like a Grand Marnier, and the 2018 is like Hennessy. That's liquor wise, that's the best comparison I can give to you guys. So 2024 is very smooth cognac, like a Grand Marnier, and you got heavy, you know, strong, that will knock you out, Hennessy with the 2018. That's my analogy. All right, but dope pair of sneakers, iconic. Either way, you're never gonna go wrong having any of them in your collection. All right, so this is a second pair. This one is dead stock of 2018. This pair I've already wore already, and both are 2018. And I'm gonna show you guys. So hold on. Oh, there you go. All right, so this is all three. Then same thing, all three of them. I don't see any major difference other than the noticeable ones that I mentioned that everybody already know. The elephant print and the leather. Apart from that, everything else is the same. This is it, man. This is a dope pair of sneakers, and I'm happy to just have them into the collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if this is your first time on the channel, definitely click the subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload all my videos. And don't forget to smash the like button for this video if you did like this, and what else. And thank you once again. And also follow me on Instagram as well, and do engage. I'm gonna go out there on Saturday on the 23rd to definitely see if I can cop a few more and possibly do some giveaway for you guys. All right, so definitely smash the like button up and push this video up. All right, it's the Broke Genius, the collector's edition, my latest sneaker pickup, the Black Symmetry 2024, and I am signing out.